How to fix Binance deposit not received. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can recover funds from Binance Exchange. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Binance, and then when you get to your homepage, you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, the first thing that you need to do is find the support button, which is located at the top right corner, this little headphone icon. Just tap on it. And once you open up Binance support, just wait for it to load up. And right here, you will have to select your problem. So tap on I understand. And here under self-service, you'll see this option, crypto deposit not arrived. Tap right there. So let's say if you have entered a wrong memo or a tag, you are just going to choose the first option right here and submit this appeal. Now here are a few information that you need to fill out. So first thing first, you need to choose what type of coin that you're using. So let's say if I am using the Tongue Keeper's coin, I'm just going to choose that one. Enter the exact deposit amount that you sent, and then finally, you'll have to enter your transaction hash ID. So this you will find on your Timekeeper app on your history. Just copy that ID and paste it right here and tap on submit. Once you do that, within 24 hours, your problem should be resolved and your transaction will be complete. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.